Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshot by palm swipe method in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot, and I would like to take a screenshot from this page, but the page is not loading. So here itself I would like to take a screenshot. Okay, so what I got to do is with palm, that is edge of your hand, just swipe from the right side to left side, okay, or left side to right side. Okay, see here. Yes, screenshot is taken. Okay, see here, with the finger also I do it. Yes, in this way you can easily take a screenshot using palm swipe method. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.